Hi guys, so on Friday we learned about slope and we did a little bit with equations, and so today we are going to be learning about linear equations. Alright, so our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and that is going to be our slope-intercept form. So when we talk about our m, that is called our slope, which hopefully we remember from Friday. And then our b is going to be our y-intercept, hence the name of slope-intercept form, because whatever our m is, that's our slope, and our b is our y-intercept. So if we are given the following information, we're going to write a linear equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so slope-intercept form. So if I'm given a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of -1, I'm going to put y equals. And I'm going to put y equals for all of them, because no matter which equation we're working with, so long as we're working with slope-intercept form, which we are, every single one of them is going to be y equals. Okay? And then I have my slope. My slope is my m. Okay? So since it tells me my slope, my m, that always goes right next to my x. Okay? So for number 1, I have a slope of 2. And then I have my x, because my slope and my x are always side by side. And then I have a y-intercept of -1. So after my x, I'm going to put -1. So my equation is y equals 2x minus 1. Just to make sure you guys understand why I put the -1 there. Okay? Alright, let's take a look at the next one. Slope is -3 divided by 5. So that means that my slope is going to be -3 divided by 5 and an x. And this time our y-intercept is 4. So since it's a +4, I'm going to put +4. Okay? Alrighty, so now I want you guys to try the next ones. Okay? And since you guys have been so sneaky about just copying the answers on my videos instead of actually watching the video, I am not going to put the answers down. Okay? So you guys are actually going to have to try it yourself. So pause the video now and try it yourself. Okay, so for number 2, for our next part of our notes, we have to write them in standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. Okay? So if we're given our equations in standard form, we need to convert them to slope-intercept form. So if you notice, all of our equations are in standard form because I have my ax plus by equals c, and so on and so forth. Okay? So in order to convert into slope-intercept form, I need to solve for y. This is why we did those literal equations earlier, so that we can solve for variables. Okay? So since I need to solve for my y in each of these, okay, so I have 2x plus y equals 3. I need to get y all by itself. So I need to subtract 2x from both sides. So these 2x are going to cancel, and I'm going to be left with y equals, I'm going to bring down the 3 and bring down the 2x. Alrighty. Now, is this in slope-intercept form? Not quite, because our slope goes first. So I need to change it so that my slope goes first. So negative 2x plus 3. Now it is in slope-intercept form because my slope is that negative 2, and my 3 is my y-intercept. Alright, let's try number 2 together. So I have 4x plus 5y equals negative 30. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract the 4x from both sides. My 4x's will cancel, and I'm left with 5y equals negative 4x minus 30. Okay? And now I need to divide by 5 because I have 5 times y. Okay? And so y will equal negative 4 over 5x minus 30 over 5. Can I simplify anything? Oh, but real quick. So I had the negative 4x minus 30 divided by 5. So I just took the 5 and divided it by each piece. That's how I'm able to split it up. Makes things a little bit easier. But I can simplify the 30 over 5. So y equals negative 4 over 5x, and negative 30 divided by 5 will give me negative 6. Okay? And then slope of negative 4 divided by 5, and y-intercept of negative 6. Okay? Alright, I'm going to try one more with you guys, and then I'm going to let y'all do the rest. Okay, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So I get negative 3y equals negative x plus 12. Alright, and now I need to divide by negative 3. So that those will cancel. And then I'm left with y equals negative negative will make a positive 1/3 x, and then minus 12 over 3. I need to simplify. My negative 12 over 3, so that I am left with y equals 1/3 x minus 4, with 1/3 as my slope and negative 4 as my y-intercept. Okay. Alrighty, now it's your turn. I want you to finish the next 3 problems. Okay? Alrighty. So good luck, guys. Finish it up. And I will see you guys next time.